Hi there. In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can um, set up your Cloudflare DNS. So the first thing that you will do is, of course, log into your account. And once you're here, you will just have to select your domain and then go to the configure DNS and just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will have to click add record, which is right here. And now you will choose the record type, which is either A. So there are really a lot of options here. So just go ahead and choose any record type. It really depends on what you need to add. And then you will just have to enter the name, subdomain, or at for root. And then you will just have to um and content, by the way, either the IP or URL. And then next you will just have to toggle the orange cloud, which is right here, for proxying if you want Cloudflare security and performance features. And finally, you will just have to basically click save and repeat for any additional records, and make sure all values match your hosting provider's requirements. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.